wavelength or very low speed. Thus, it can reduce data center noise level to about 50 dB. Let's think about how quiet is 50 dB. It's like as quiet as our code here, or as quiet as most library. Can you imagine data center can be as quiet as this environment? It's happening. Additionally, it lowers both data center capital operating expense, lower capital and operating expense, both capital and operating expense, both lower, up to 20%, save up to 20% of money. So, DLC liquid cooling is cheaper. Don't feel DLC cooling. We will charge you more. No, that's money. While offering even greater reliability than traditional air-cooled data center or common industry DLC solution. Start from today, our DLC2 solution also will come with another big bonus. What kind of big bonus? Can our PM show up to show what kind of extra bonus? So CW, what's this?
Hi, Charles. This is our latest and the greatest coolant innovation just from our lab. Our team of scientists has been developing this PG DLC2 coolant for the past year. And we are bringing the best out of our DLC solution with this new coolant solution.
What's the difference?
So traditional PG25 works, but we have developed for the past year this optimized formulation with ultra-high electrical impedance. So we are so proud today to announce this new Supermicro PG DLC2.
So when can we ship?
Well, Charles, you know, shipment is very important here. In fact, actually, that's right. With PG DLC2, we are continuing our commitment to on-time, at-scale rack deliveries.
By time by?
Oh, days or hours. We're going to go quick. I'm telling you.
So, yeah, she will not go deliver 4,000 DLC rack last year. And this year, now we are going to deliver DLC2, covered by
days. Absolutely, Charles.
You forgot our.
Wait, we're going to go hours if needed. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Great.
All right, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Our people work very hard. Thank you a lot. So our DLC2 now is much better than last year. DLC. Save more power, more safe, and lots of other advantages. Anyway, after 10 months, hard working, research, study, and real-world validation again and again. Today, I'm very excited to announce that we have created a brand new coolant that can make your CPU and GPU system much protected, more reliable, safer, and save money. So good. Huh? In the past 30 years, people keep using PG25 as data center common coolant. Today, with our new DLC2 solution, we will ship with PG DLC2, a new coolant for your data center. The new coolant has 1,000 times higher electrical impedance, while with better thermal conductivity. That's the way to be more reliable, safer, and save money. This is Supermicro. We always looking and searching for the best solution for you. We are delivering not just a Me Too company. Okay. Now, let's focus on something really big, bigger than TLCP. The big thing for today and for this year, maybe for next many years to come, big change. Change to what? Grow your business easier. Grow your business faster and be more profitable. Wow, anything can be like that. 32 years of data center experience. With our green computing DNA, with our building block solution practice, today, a new way to build a new data center, cloud, and AI infrastructure is born. A new way is available now. Our DCBBS. With our DCBBS, we make your job to design a data center, to build an AI data center as easy as to build a Lego castle. You know, kids can build a castle with Lego easily. Beautiful, quick. To build a data center as quick as in a few months, not as long as many quarters or many years. Because of our easy design and easy build, DCBBS colo solution. Your job will become easier, quicker, and your data center and cloud performance become higher. Better quality, faster time to online, and lower in capital expense, especially lower in operating cost. I mean, lower in TCO. With our DCBBS total solution, we deliver first-to-market AI platform, whether at a system level, you can buy our system. Server system, AI system, storage, or rack level, or rack scale, plug and play level. We ensure seamless integration by pairing you with the best match storage solution. We offer more than 10 storage platforms, including E1S, E3S, traditional storage, more than 10 platforms for you to select from, and a full set of all other components. This including variety of switches. We offer more than 10 different kinds of switch. High data rate switch, management switch, or InfiniBand switch, CDU. Either in-rack CDU or in-load CDU. Advanced DLC system or DLC2. Water tower. Which one is water tower? The smaller one is water tower. What's the bigger one? The big one don't mean the water at all, called dry tower. So we have both. You want water tower, we have for you. Many different skills for you. You want a tower without water, we have a dry tower for you. Very soon, in next few weeks. Power share. Chill door. You build a data center or you transfer a warehouse to a data center without air conditioning, you just use chill door. It works. And we offer you variety of chill door. In next few months. This time is now next few weeks. This is a new product line, but will be available in next few months. PowerShell. Again, we provide you variety of during our share. Battery backup unit, BBU. Our battery backup comes with many different skills, many different aspects, and comprehensive networking design. You want to build your data center, we can work with you to design networking together. Depends on your scale, depends on your application. Our DCBBS is providing you the option that you like the most. The goal, you miss something. How about on-site deployment? A variety of service packages. Right? Although I just landed yesterday early morning, a meeting almost every hour, but I'm not busy yet. So anyway, on-site deployment. Right? Customer just buy our device and deploy it by themselves. Welcome, or you want Supermicro to do the deployment for you, we offer that. And cable, right? You know, a data center, especially big data center with 100,000 GPU, for example, the cabling system is very complex, very sophisticated. We offer that service as well. And end-to-end management software. We have more than 1,000 software engineers now, actually. USA, Taiwan, and Europe. So our networking engineer, data center management team, are very happy to work with you, shoulder to shoulder, and to build the whole data center, design the whole data center, deploy the whole data center, and offer different kind of service. Our broader range of service offer you, whatever selection you want. Right? Let's brainstorm, work together for your most efficient and profitable business. Or if you prefer, we can just simply support you with whatever subsystem we have and leave the design, the deployment, and service for yourself. So we are very flexible. Whatever the base that you like, we are happy to work with you. Our data center building block solution is to provide you the option that you like the most. You are the boss. You pay. You are the boss. You decide what kind of service you want us to service you. The goal of the data center building block solution, DCBBS, is to save your time for time to deployment, time to online, and improve data center reliability while reduce the cost for you. We know new technology, time to market, time to deployment, time to online is critical to you. We know minimize power usage is important to you. We know your data center quality and reliability are very critical to your business. With our DCBBS solution, we aim to shorten the time to delivery TDD and TTO, time to online. For new data center, from years to just quarters. For customer upgrading existing facility or data center, DCBBS can accelerate your TTO, time to online, from quarters to months, or even just a few weeks. Because everything has been well designed, we manufacture them and keep safety inventory. When you need to extend your data center, just a phone call, we ship total solution to you and deploy with you to speed up your time to online. With our data center building block solution, especially with DLC2, we help you and your customer achieve up to, again, 40% saving in power and water, while enhance the system, the data center availability and performance. Again, additionally, the DLC2 further reduce data center noise as low as 50 dB, ensuring a quieter and more efficient environment. And then better feature, better advantage. Yes, we aim to save extra cost, 10%, 20%, or up to 30% cost down as a big bonus for you. Our DC BPS solution are fully optimal and ready to high volume deployment about now. So, cool. First come, first service. So, with global production capacity of 5,000 racks per month now, with our new Malaysia campus fully operational for large-scale production today, alongside continual capacity growth in US, Europe, and Taiwan, Supermicro is well established, not just as the best brand name data center total solution company. We are also one of the highest volume ODM partners for global data center. With our DC BPS, now we have set the stage to welcome our good friend and AI genius, Mr. Jensen. Is Jensen here? Not yet? Traffic Jen? Jensen! Everybody waiting for you.
I think that picture is too big. Take it down.
Yes.
Crazy man. 大家好.
Desert, you predict AI boom will continue at a super fast speed. And we saw last year the AI market grow more than double. And how about next year? Next many years?
If you look at the last 10 years, AI evolved. Where are you going?
Same thing.
Oh, okay.
I need a wallet.
I just started talking and walked away. This makes me seasick.
This is all your technology.
Yes, we sell it by the tons now.
Yeah, this indeed, this is the DLC solution we shipped last year.
Yeah.
4,000 racks last year.
Yeah.
And this one, can you ship a little bit? This is a new one. Oh, no? Oh, here, new one. Our new DLC solution, we call DLC2. Save even more power.
DLC2, that's clever.
Yeah, save even more power. Save water. And
I love making fun of Charles. We've known each other a long time. I can make fun of Charles. So AI, listen. So 12 years ago, when AI first came into the scene, it was really focused on perception, right? Computer vision, speech recognition. And then 5 years ago, everybody started to learn about generative AI. AI can now not only understand, but it can generate content. And so text-to-text is summarization, maybe text generation, maybe story generation. Image-to-text is computer vision. Text-to-image is image generation. So there's a whole lot of different ways you now have AI that can take any modality, any content of any modality input, and it can generate content of any modality output. It does the translation. So that's the second phase. Is what I'm supposed to say on that thing?
Up to you. You know everything. Your choice.
What? If you told.
No, I needed a.
I'll read if you want
don't
me
need.
We didn't rehearse either. And so
We never rehearsal.
and so that's 5 years ago.
Yeah.
But the real breakthrough now is reasoning AI. And most people everybody should have understood this. The fact of the matter is generative AI learned a great deal of knowledge by recognizing patterns and relationships in pre-training. And then you ask it a question, generative AI does a one-shot generate text. You think you're getting an answer, okay? And so, but most of that knowledge was compressed into the large language model.
Yeah.
As you know, intelligence is about thinking. Intelligence is about reasoning. And by reasoning, you can solve problems that you never learned about. So just by understanding some basic rules and theorems and maybe some pre-knowledge, okay, your prior knowledge, you could decompose a new problem into by step, and solve a problem you've never seen before, right? Reasoning, that's in problem solving.
Yeah.
Now there are many different ways to do reasoning. You could break a problem down step by step, or you could simulate the future and choose the best outcome.
Yeah.
You simulate the future, you evaluate its consequence, you simulate the future, you weigh the trade-offs, you know which one is better and which one's less good, and then you decide that to be the action plan, and then you execute the plan.
Yeah.
Maybe when you execute the plan, you need to read some reports. Maybe you need to use a calculator. Maybe you need to use a charting system. You know, like drawing system.
Yeah.
You know, whatever it is. Maybe it's even using SAP or Oracle. Use tools, right?
Yeah.
And so now, this is the era of agentic AI. It's essentially a digital robot inside our system.
Yeah.
And it can go off and solve problems. Now, why is agentic AI such a big deal? Agentic AI is a big deal because today, most of everything that we do is codified into business process. Business process, we figured out, we reasoned about what is the best way to solve a problem, and we are very prescriptive. We specify very clearly input, and we specify very clearly the output. And we take step by step, and we implement a workflow. Okay? Well, the problem is, most of the interesting problems in the world comes in with unstructured data. Most of the business process are implemented with structured data. That's why we use SQL. That's why we use Oracle. That's why so on and so forth. Relational databases. Most of the interesting problems are unstructured data. Meaning we have to read something from the internet. Maybe we read a PDF. Maybe we have to take information from multiple sources, and we have to decide how to solve the problem.
Yeah.
Well, now, based on everything I've said, agentic AI has the opportunity to understand unstructured data, images, text, videos, combination of all of that, read it, understand it, reason about how best to solve a problem, given a goal, maybe even look to another agent, right? So for the very first time, we now have the opportunity to use AI to solve a whole bunch of problems we didn't have. Digital customer service, digital researcher, software programmer, supply chain manager, marketing campaign manager. All of these type of problems are very difficult to put into a business process.
Yeah.
It requires intelligence. Now we have the software to do that. Now the challenge, of course, is the computational load is very high for thinking. If you ask a question, somebody says, what's 8 times 8? Very simple, right? Yeah. Everybody's going, don't know the answer. Okay, 64, right? It's one shot. You already noticed, you effectively memorized it. Yeah. And so one shot. But if you have to go and reason, you have to think for a long time. And maybe you're analyzing in a lot of different paths. And then finally you have the answer. So that's the reason why when you use deep research on ChatGPT, it thinks for a long time. It's going off, right? Or you use Perplexity, and you do a deep research search, and I use it every day, and it breaks it down step by step. I'm going to this website, I'm reading that, I'm thinking about it some more, I'm reading that, and then eventually it comes back. And it self-analyze. Is that a good answer? Maybe it's not a very good answer. Try again. And so this kind of AI requires a lot of computation. So now you have these two circumstances coming together. One, you have an application, you have a capability that's very useful.
Yeah.
And two, and so hopefully the volume is high. Two, the computation demand is very high.
Yeah.
Therefore the volume is high. The combination of these two things, my sense is that for the next decade, we're going to see a lot of demand.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great. So in conclusion, the good news is that deep learning, the LLM needed lots of computing power. But the AI application, inference, need even more computing power.
Way more.
Way more.
I'm hoping the goal of AI is not to train the model. The goal of AI is to use the intelligence, right?
Yeah.
So training the model hopefully is 0.5% of the total consumption.
Yeah.
Yeah. Inference time scaling is 1,000 times more load.
So they are double, triple, quadruple, 10 times growth opportunity in next few years.
The IT industry is $1 trillion large. The AI industry is above the IT industry. It's likely trillions of dollars large. Yeah.
Much bigger.
Yeah.
So lots of chance to make money. Very appreciate lead the AI way. So, I mean, we have all our machine, all optimized with the solution. Right? Here is, can you come with me? GB200, GB300. Again, your smart engineer suggests share the same solution, the same right?
Good idea.
Yeah, so save lots of research. And this is our last year liquid cooling B200. We started to ship start from this month. Mm-hmm. And then we have this DLC1, traditional DLC. And then we have a DLC2 here.
DLC Classic.
Yeah, and this is DLC2, new DLC available.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, we'll be ready to ship this. We'll be ready for B200 next week. And ready for B300 next few months.
Going from DLC, what do you call your GB200? What's the system code name, product name?
That's DLC.
Oh, which one is the HGX?
HGX.
Is DLC?
HGX.
That's DLC.
HGX.
And what's MGX?
MGX is over there.
And what is the name of that?
Over there.
Over there. Okay.
Lots of product physical technology.
Okay.
So
and
this
it's called Over There.
Over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Over There, Generation 1.
Yeah. This is B200 DLC2.
Okay.
Yeah. 40% power saving, water saving, and the system can run at a 50 dB noise level.
Well, nobody's been working on liquid cooling data centers and servers longer than you have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for your support.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year we shipped about 4,000.
Charles is 85% computer scientist, 15% plumber.
Yes. Maybe more percentage water-related technology.
Increasingly, yeah.
Yeah. And this is air cool. You know that, right? B200, B300.
And Charles, I'm really glad that you're gearing up all these different options and that you're gearing up for large capacity. And the reason for that is this is the transition of our industry from building servers for data centers, now building systems for AI factories.
Yeah.
And these AI factories are intended to generate tokens to make money.
Yeah.
That's the goal. That's why I call it a factory.
Yeah.
A data center, you hold data. You know, when you hold data, it doesn't make any money.
So AI factory.
Yeah, AI factory. And so the world still needs data centers. We need data centers to host our storage and so on and so forth for our employees, right?
Yeah.
Run our ERP system, run our company.
Yeah.
But we also need to have an AI factory to generate intelligence for agents and for robots and self-driving cars, and, all these different use cases.
Yeah, we have both.
Yeah,
We service your traditional data center customer.
That's right.
Also,
That's right.
AI factory.
yeah, that's right.
And this is your MGX. I guess this one. MGX. Too many products, hard to remember. Yeah, this.
This new
MGX.
system is really terrific. This is the RTX Pro.
Yeah.
The difference between this architecture and the Blackwell architectures for AI systems, for AI factories, this is really designed for AI focus.
Yeah.
For training and for inference.
Yeah.
But this has the benefit of being able to do computer graphics, ray tracing, as well as AI.
Yeah.
And the reason why that's so important is because of digital twins.
Yeah.
Running Omniverse. Inside Omniverse, you need a sensor simulation or ray tracing. You also need AI to do generative content. You also need AI to run the robotic system inside the digital twin. And so this one machine is designed for that future, the digital twin future. Robotic systems, factory digital twins. This is going to be so successful.
Yeah, we already shipped for a few years. And then this is new model.
Yeah, new model is going to be great. And don't forget to put CX8 in there.
CX8?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh,
It's
waiting
so
for your
good.
CX8. You just ship me.
Okay, I'll get it to you as fast as I can.
Your sales team need to ship as quicker.
All right, guys, get to it. I wish I didn't bring it up. No, you're right. CX8 is in such hot demand. Yeah, CX8 is a revolutionary chip, and the reason for that is it does two things. Of course, first, it's a very, very smart NIC.
Yeah.
And it has nearly all of the benefits of InfiniBand, but it's Ethernet.
Yeah.
So it's Ethernet super.
Yeah.
You know?
We need 100,000 piece ASAP.
Okay. Did you place a PO yet?
Hey, press PO, cannot wait.
Okay, so let me finish my story.
Yeah.
And the second thing is usually, the NIC sits at the end of the PCI Express bridge.
Yeah.
We now turned it around. So CX8 is also a PCI Express bridge.
Yes.
So it's a switch first.
Yes.
It's a switch first and a NIC second.
We have that design ready.
It's so good, right?
Yeah, so good.
I know, so smart.
Yeah, just need your switch. Your chip.
Okay.
And this is your storage solution based on Grace.
Yeah.
1 terabyte. 1 petabyte.
Okay. Well, in the future, even storage is going to be smart storage, right? AI storage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
AI storage.
You could use SQL query for structured data.
Yeah.
And then you can use semantic query, AI query for unstructured data.
Yeah.
And so instead of usually in SQL queries, you tell it exactly what you're looking for. Maybe you'll do some joins and, some combines and so on and so forth and some processing. But essentially, you are very specific about what you want to get back out of a SQL query. In the case of a semantic query, you just have a question. You just ask it a question, and the storage will tell you what the answer is. It's so strange. And so you ask in the future, you don't have to retrieve files. The purpose of storage is not to retrieve the file.
Yeah.
The purpose of storage is, I just want the answer.
Smart storage.
That's right. You just ask the storage a question.
So easy, right?
Yeah.
Just ask the storage.
And so imagine your enterprise database, right?
Yeah.
And it's got unstructured data, all these PDFs and PowerPoint slides and Word documents and videos and things like that. In the future, you just talk to it.
Yeah.
You ask it whatever question you want.
Yeah.
And maybe the customer service, all night long, they're responding to customers' requests, and now they have a bunch of data, customer request, and maybe it's voice, maybe it's somebody typing it in, maybe it's, right, whatever complaints are, and then you just ask, what happened last night?
Yeah.
And the AI will tell you.
What happened?
Customers are super excited about the new DLC Generation 2.
Yeah.
And everywhere over there, Generation 1, they're super excited about that. And the POs keep flying in, and they're waiting for their delivery. That's what happened last night. I'm certain that's why I had to be your customer service last night.
Yeah. So
Where's my supercomputer? Where's my, yeah.
just place the order in the own here.
I'm ready to receive orders.
Yeah. So again, like Jensen said before, storage usually interface with CPU, and then CPU handle the data to GPU. But now the new fashion, data storage connect to GPU directly to speed up, save money and speed up.
Yeah, that's right.
Much
And
faster.
get smart.
Much faster.
And get smart, right.
Good. So thank you so much for your strong support, very rich product line. So from Jensen say, next few years, the Doom can be, the growth can be more than.
Is thank you the cue for me to leave or?
Oh no, not yet.
Okay, all right.
Not yet. Unless you are.
We didn't. No. I got all day. I was just trying to figure out when I was
But
supposed to
your
get
people
off
told
stage.
me- Your people told me only-
Usually people don't say, Jensen, thank you for coming until the end.
Thank you.
Is it me? I don't think it's me. No. Well, go ahead. It's your show. We didn't talk about any of those things.
Jensen is much more generous than his people. His people go in charge only 20 minutes, okay? Our Jensen is very tired. He needs some rest. I said, okay, 20 minutes.
As long as you wish.
Thank you.
If we can sell more supercomputers,
Great. So anyway, I mean from B200, B300, GB200, GB300, all the product is ready to ship. Especially B300 air cool will be ready in next 30 days. And then liquid cool, I'm still waiting for your engineering support. So hopefully that will come very soon too. But this year is GB300 is coming very soon.
he invites me to a keynote to lodge all these grievances on me. I'm late on engineering support. I'm late on CX8.
It's easier to ask something.
Of course, no problem. Absolutely, as fast as possible. Well, hey, Charles, listen. You know, we've loved working with you, and I've loved working with you for a very long time. Supermicro is exceptional at the most extreme engineering. The craft, the engineering craft is second to none. And your execution speed is incredible.
Oh, yeah, Jason. Maybe you come every day. Right? So I just introduced.
Did I say the wrong things?
I just introduced.
Did I say the wrong things?
No, everything is perfect.
Usually he's supposed to. I think that. Look, can I show you how conversations go? I say that, and then you say, "Thank you," and Jensen, you're incredible at this and that. You know? Do you know what? Is it me?
I just want to share a really good news with you.
Oh, okay.
The big thing. I just share with our people here.
I give him a compliment. He's supposed to give me a compliment. Like Jensen, your new leather jacket is so great.
I just announced to the world, Supermicro just official announced our data center building block solution. With that, we aim to build all the key components for the data center for our AI factory, especially including liquid cooling, including water tower, dry tower, water tower, chill door, everything. Indeed, including transformer, including the source.
Yeah, that's a great idea, because these days, you know, one little piece of something late, and the whole project. And the project, you know, a lot of capital is sitting waiting. Tens of billions of dollars of capital is waiting for a water tower or power generator or CDU or you know.
All kind of power rack and a power shelf and BBU, battery backup unit.
That's right.
Now we have everything ready. Whenever customer needed your GPU power, we have everything ready to support
that's a great idea.
To support their AI infrastructure.
Yeah.
So to make sure that world can move AI even faster pace.
Yeah. Well, speed matters a lot. You know, right now the technology is moving very fast, and the people who move fast are establishing their position. And so speed is everything in the beginning of a new industry.
Yeah.
And right now, Speed matters.
And I promise our audience here, with our data center building block solution, now we can help a customer shrink their time to build a data center from idea to online, data center online in couple of quarter or couple of months instead of couple of years.
Yeah. Couple of years.
So good friend, right? Really supporting your AI.
Incredibly good friend.
Thank you.
All right, I think that's my cue. When you get thanked 3 times in a minute, that means time for you to leave. Thank you, Charles. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. You know, our marketing guy next time he told me, Jensen can be here in 1 hour. Okay, anyway. So lots of good product. So start from B200 HGX, 10U air cool system. Supermicro is one of the first company start to ship B200 HGX system since early March this year. And also our B200 HGX for you. Again, Supermicro, again, is the first company to ship B200 HGX for you, start from March this year. And we already ship many thousand systems to the market. And then GB200 MVL, fully ready for production. Just whenever you place order, we can ship now. Especially whatever Jason promised. And GB300 MVL 72 is coming very soon. And other than that, we have B200 HGX for you with our DLC2, kind of 50 dB noise level. This will be ready small volume in 1 month, high volume in 2 months. And then MI325 AU air cool, MI325 for you DLC. B300 HGX AU air cool. The solution should be ready small volume in hopefully 1 month, high volume hopefully 2 months. And then B200 DLC1 in rack, that's been shipping. B200 DLC2 again can be ready to ship within next few weeks. High volume in 1 month or 2. And then B300 DLC2 hopefully within a quarter, hopefully. And then MI350 AUAC should be 2 months, for example. MI355 for you and D3S all flash AI storage for you 90 bay scale out storage 400G 800G high speed data switch. So variety of product whenever you need. Supermicro pretty much have a solution ready for you to speed up your time to market, time to apply. So kind of long hour time. That's why I'm a little bit nervous. Thank you everyone for joining us this year to make a conclusion. Supermicro is ready to ship DLC2 solution and fully ready to offer DCBBS data center building block solution to our market today. And Supermicro today is not just a brand name AI server system or rack company. We also one of the largest CSP ODM manufacturer, especially with our Malaysia capacity. Now we can ship many more than 5,000 racks per month. Supermicro today is not just a system and rack scale company. We are a data center, AI factory, infrastructure can go. And especially in green computing. Green computing save you money and make our planet more beautiful, greener. Let's go for green computing. And thank you so much for your support, for your trust. Supermicro will continue to grow at a fastest pace to support you, to support our industry. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Charles, for the very inspiring CEO keynote session, sharing visionary perspective and providing valuable insight into the future of our industry. And this will conclude today's session. Thank you so much for joining us. And first of all, I would like to ask our media and analyst friends to follow our steps for the exit direction. Thank you so much for joining us today for the whole keynote session. And please follow our staff near the end of exit way. And additionally, we have prepared the snack box.